For this tutorial, I'm going to show you the course menu. The course menu is the central access point for all content. When your course is created, some items are included by default. If you want to change the name of any of these items, you may do so. For example, information, you click the drop down arrow and you can rename it to whatever you would like. Just hit the green check. These gray boxes means that there is no content in that particular page, on that particular page. One thing that's missing that students really enjoy seeing is grades. So we're going to add a grade. My grades. Call it grades, and yes, available to students, and then we're going to hit submit. So now students are able to see their grades from the course menu. Let's say, for example, we don't want some of these items. So for tools, we're going to get rid of it. You're going to click the drop down arrow, click delete, then click delete this menu item, and then delete again. Now let's say that we don't want groups, but we don't want to delete it. So we can hide it from our students by clicking hide link. When you want to add another page, you may do so. So here you get several different options. You can get a content area, which content area is similar to Module 1, where you can build content, build assessments, tools, and partner content. A module page is exactly like this home page. A tool link is exactly like where you can find the discussion posts, announcements, or my grades. Web link, if you want to have an external link right into the course menu, this is where you do that. Or course link. So let's say, for example, your syllabus is on the Module 1, and you want your syllabus to directly link to this course menu. You're going to click that plus arrow, click course link, browse, Module 1, and then you're going to find the syllabus and put the syllabus there. If you want to divide your course menu, click divider. You can move it around and organize it by using dividers. This has been a quick demonstration of the course menu. Thank you.